Alright, hey guys, SoCal Ponds, Dominic. We're in Altadena. You might have seen our Instagram on these pictures right here for this project. But this was just a irrigation redo, kind of an update. She had old irrigation in here, galvanized pipe, old brass little pop-ups that weren't working, and then like old traditional black drippers that were either clogged or broken off or whatever. So we just updated all that stuff. We gave her new rainbow pop-ups in the lawn area, front and back, and then Hunter drip irrigation in all the planter areas. So state of the art now. Now she just needs to update her water supply to the house. But anyways, like you see, we just dug little trenches along the edges here, ran new plumbing, new pop-ups. Now this gets fully watered, no problem. She was hand watering this stuff every day. She's an older lady and doesn't need to be out here in the heat watering her yard. But we just kind of came in, dug up, we needed to, run the new pipes. Same thing with the drip irrigation, dug up where we needed to, and covered it all up with mulch. So both sides of this planter area here has got drip irrigation that you'll never see or hear or even knows present. So a key thing that often does not happen when people update this, maybe you have your gardener or somebody update an irrigation system, they usually don't change the valves or put in a pressure system or a filter, and then they might just do the regular drip on an old valve, and what happens is the drippers get clogged, they blow off the lines, and you have nothing but trouble. So installing this correctly from the beginning is key. It's obviously more money to do so, but do it right? Do it right the first time. Anyways, here we are again, all drip irrigation over here, drip irrigation on the hillside now. It's gonna low water, it's 1 gallon of water per foot per hour. So saving water, less runoff. Before she was having water come off of this hillside and then flood this area too, and that's just a waste of water. Come over here in the other planter area. So with this project, to save money, keep the cost low, we just utilize the old existing irrigation plumbing. So the pipes that came from the old valves to here is what we use. So it's kind of not 100% the way we would do it, but we definitely upgraded it and made it better. So like this planter right here is on the same house planter running together. The Ivy is on its own system, and then the Parkway out here is on its own system. Having different valves allows efficient pressure, and also you can regulate the timing where like this planter needs to run maybe a little bit longer than the house planters. Maybe the house planters need to run a little more frequently because they're gentler, softer plants that are going to dry out, whereas these junipers up here are way more hardy. All right, let's go into the backyard. So again, new Hunter valves with low flow drip irrigation filters. This one doesn't have the valves or the filters on it because it is for the lawn, so they're high flow. But drip irrigation here, new pop-ups in this corner here, adjustable rainbow pop-ups. Make sure that we get all the areas nice and wet. So this particular planter right here had no water whatsoever, so she definitely had to water this by hand. In the summer heat right now, it was every day, so poor lady had to drag this hose out here, water it by hand. We ran a new line in here, so now it's part of the rest of the yard. It gets drip irrigation 3 times a week. So this particular lawn right here was struggling. It didn't have very good water to begin with the old pop-ups, and because of the trees and the shade, the whole area was dead and dying and suffering. Same with that corner over there, so hopefully that rejuvenates back. They may go and redo the lawn here in the next couple of months, but for now, this is what it is. But again, we got the planter areas, the perimeters, this planter, and all that zone up there is all on Hunter drip irrigation, inline drip irrigation. All right, thanks for checking out this video. If your yard needs irrigation rehab or even a redesign or whatever, give us a call, SoCalPonds.com, 818-541-9944. Talk to you soon.